Hi, I'm Joseph Hoffman, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to play a catchy little song I remember learning as a kid, Chopsticks. It's called Chopsticks because you can play it with just two fingers, one on each hand, like a pair of chopsticks. Let's come to the piano to start learning. By the way, you can purchase the sheet music for Chopsticks using the link below, and that will help you learn this even faster. So pause if you need some time to get the sheet music. And if you're ready, let's find our starting position, find middle C on your piano, and then go up to the nearest group of three black keys and find F and G. As I mentioned, you'll only need these two fingers. This isn't normally how we play piano, but for Chopsticks, we're going to make an exception. These are the only fingers you'll need. Find F and G. Now, you may notice that we are in the time signature of 3/4. So it will help to count 3 beats out loud as you're learning this, and that will help you keep track of how many times you're supposed to play, because everything in this song comes in groups of 3. That's why it's in 3/4. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Play and count out loud. Go. Good. Then after you do that, the left hand will step down and we'll play again 6 more times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Go. Now let's put that together. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now your turn. Go. All right, and then after that, the left hand steps down again, but the right hand skips up. So a skip will go from G, skip over A all the way up to B. So now we're in this position on D and B, and we play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Notice this time the right hand does something a little fancy. We play 3 notes here, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 on 2, the right hand steps down. On 3, the right hand steps back up. Like this, 1, 2, 3. Try just that part in measure 6. 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Good, now let's put that together with measure 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Good, you can always pause if you need extra practice. And otherwise, let's go on to measure 7. Both hands step apart, right hand going up, left hand going down, and we land on 2 C's. So you'll hear that has a nice grand finale kind of sound. 1, 2. Notice that note is empty inside. That makes it a half note, so we'll give it 2 beats or 2 counts. 1, 2. Count to 2 on that half note. 1, 2, 3. And then you play an extra C after that, and then 1, 2, 3. On those notes, we're stepping towards each other. Going back to measure 7, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you try. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you try. Good, now let's put everything together from the start. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Left hand steps down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, if that's a lot to remember, I know. That's why I want you to have the sheet music so you can see the notes, see when the left hand is stepping down. By the way, in your sheet music, the left hand is always playing the stem down notes. If that note head has a stem down, that's for the left hand. The stem up notes are for the right hand. So you can see when the left hand steps down. You can see when the right hand skips up. When it steps down. It's all right there in the sheet music. Pause and work on these first 2 lines on your own, then press play, and we'll go on. The good news is the next section is almost exactly the same. Once again, starting in measure 9, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. This time, instead of stepping back down, you'll notice it just goes 1, 2, 3, 1. Rest on beat 2. That symbol right there is called a quarter rest. It happens on beat 2. So when you say 2, just lift your hands for a moment and get ready for beat 3, where you're going to come way up to here on C and E. So use that rest to get your hand in position on either side of these two black keys. Just find a C and an E. So going back to measure 15, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. And train yourself that on that rest, you're getting your fingers in position. Now you try. Good, we're just practicing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. On 2, get your fingers in position. Try it one more time just for practice. Go. So now with your fingers in this position, we're ready to start the next section of the song. And for this section, just listen once. A fun, cute little pattern. And you'll notice the fingers are always following each other in thirds. A third in music is when you're the distance of 3 notes with 1 key in between. And so you'll just always keep your fingers this distance apart and just watch in your sheet music whether the notes are stepping down, whether they're repeating, or whether they're stepping up. So let's say it like this. We'll say start and then down, 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 down. And you'll also notice the notes are alternating from quarter notes, which get 1 beat, and half notes, which get 2. So when you're counting, you'll go 3. Remember, it starts on beat 3 here. 3, 1, 2. That half note gets 2 counts. And then 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And let's just go that far. One more time. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now you try. Starting here, play with me. Ready, go. It's all going down. Start on beat 3. Ready, go. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can always pause or rewind if you need extra practice with that. But once we get here to this position on E and G, we're in measure 19. And you'll notice the next 2 notes are repeats. It stays on that same line, so we're going to say same, same for that one. So let's practice right here in measure 19. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 1. Try it with me. Go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Good. And then after that, it steps up and then down, down. So let's start here in measure 20 and we'll play up, down, down. Try it with me. Ready. Start on E and G. Go. Play up, down, down. And then it repeats, repeats, up, down, down again. Notice this pattern. I'm going to go back here to measure 19. We have start, same, same, up, down, down, same, same, up, down, down. It might help to just say those words in your mind. Try it with me. We're going to start here in measure 19, and we're going to do start, same, same, up, down, down, same, same, up, down, down. Just say those words as we play, but not quite that fast. We're going to go nice and slow. Try it with me. Ready, go. Start, same, same, up, down, down, same, same, up, down, down. Good. Let's try that one more time for practice. Just say it along with me. The more you do something, the easier it's going to get. Remember, the pattern is play, same, same, up, down, down, same, same, up, down, down. Try it with me. Ready, go. Play, same, same, up, down, down, same, same, up, down, down. And then we have an up, up to finish that whole section. Now, I know that was a lot. Let's listen to the whole section now. Starting back up here, beat 3 of measure 16. You can just listen, or if you want to challenge yourself to play along, you can do that too. I'll count 2 beats to get started, and then we'll start on beat 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, that feels overwhelming, again, just use the sheet music. Watch when the notes are going down. Watch when it's a half note, that gets 2 counts, or a quarter note, which only gets 1 count. Pause and practice that section on your own, then press play, and we'll go on. Good, then after we finish here in measure 24, it does the same pattern again, but this time it's going to do something a little different. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That part's the same, so let's do that together once, starting on beat 3 of measure 24. 1, 2, 1, go. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then we have same, up, down, and then it splits apart to this B and D in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very similar to what we did before, but now with a half note. Here in measure 29, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. On that 1, 2, 3, the right hand steps back and forth while the left hand just stays put. Try it with me. Start at measure 29. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we stretch all the way out to C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Try that, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, backing all the way up to beat 3 of measure 24. Let's listen to this whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pause to practice that section on your own, then press play and we'll put it all together. Now, we're ready to do a full playthrough, and I wanted to mention that when you purchase the sheet music, it will also come with a play-along MP3 track that you can use to have some fun playing Chopsticks with a fun accompaniment. So I'm going to demonstrate playing Chopsticks along with the accompaniment. The start of the play-along track will have an introduction, and you'll listen for 4 clicks. After the 4th click, then you start playing Chopsticks. And there's both a medium and a fast speed track. We're going to do the medium track today, but once you know this really well, if you want to challenge yourself and have some fun playing with the fast track, that's available as well. All right, if you'd like, you can just listen, or if you want to challenge yourself and play along with me, you can try that as well. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Great job learning to play Chopsticks today. Don't forget that if you visit the Hoffman Academy website, you can find hundreds of free video tutorials and free printable resources to help you learn piano. Plus, we have a premium membership that gives you online games, sheet music, and other learning tools and resources that will help you learn piano even faster. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing.
Hey Scuba, did you hear about that time Luke Skywalker went out for Chinese food with Master Obi-Wan Kenobi? No. Yeah, Luke could not figure out how to use his chopsticks, so Obi-Wan leaned over and whispered, "Use the forks, Luke."